Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going through the June Simply Gilded subscription box, and the theme this month was Sun Washed Paradise, and it's got holographic foil. And it's such a beautiful box, like just reminds me of like a Moroccan tile, like beach, like spending all day in your bathing suit sort of deal. So this is the box, and I already took everything out, so the first thing is always this like menu card of like what is in the subscription box. So the first thing is the stickers. And so you get 2 full sheets of stickers. And it's got the holographic foil. And then there's this little sheet of more full boxes and cute little like deco with like the drinks and the leaves and stuff, and I just love looking at the foil. It's so gorgeous, especially when it like catches the light and you see all of the colors of the rainbow. It's just beautiful. So those are the stickers. And then the next thing is the foiled journaling card, and it says Visit Gilded Beach. It's got the flamingos on it. And then on the back it's just blank. I just love the way that it feels. It feels so smooth and like just perfect. And then the next thing is this cute little notepad, and it's also got the holographic foil. And then it also does include the magnet so that you can like stick it to the back and use it as like a little grocery list. I don't know. It's just, I thought it was gorgeous. Anything with a holographic foil is just so beautiful to me. And then the next thing is this Hobonichi style notebook. It says Paradise on the front, and on the inside it is dot grid. And I'm excited to like use these notebooks. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to use these notebooks. I've got this one and then the one from last month, which was the B6 style. And I'm just excited to like maybe throw this in my purse and like pull this out and like, you know, have a really cool, like gorgeous notebook to like just use as like, you know, to jot notes to myself or whatever. So I don't know. I just can't stop looking at the foil. It's so gorgeous. So, and then of course each box always comes with a pen, and this one is of course got the engraving and on the pen clip. This is Simply Gilded, and it's very, I mean, again, it's very heavy. My only complaint, can't get it apart. My only wish, I shouldn't say it's a complaint, I wish that she would have blue refills. So, because I am definitely a blue pen girl, but it's gorgeous, and I love the stripes. It matches perfectly. And then the next thing is this adorable tassel keychain. And I'm going to probably put this on my Erin Condren, I think. I'm not sure. All I know is my cats will love to play with this, so I have to make sure I don't let them get too close. But yeah, it's just really soft, and I just love, and this heart is super cute too. So there's the keychain, and then here is the pouch, and Irene did say that this fabric was like water resistant, so you could take this if you wanted to put in a few washi and bring, you know, like plan by the pool or something. This would be the perfect bag to do it in, because the water just beads up and you can just wipe it away. And then of course on the inside it's got this adorable pink striped material with the Simply Gilded tag. And then of course, the last thing, the reason, let's be honest, the reason why a lot of people subscribe to this box is the washi. So the first roll is this roll, which is the same pattern as like this on the box or on the bag. And the holographic foil is on the edges. It's gorgeous. And then the next one is this like wave washi. So pretty. And then this one is a bigger washi than normal, but it's got the pool float. Let me see if I can get real close. So it's got the pool washi and the holographic foil. So I'm excited to use this. I think my my spread in my A5 planner is going to, or my August monthly spread is going to have like the greens and the pinks. I can't wait to like incorporate this washi. And then we also have this like scrolly wave washi. And it's on this like tealy blue background, and it's of course the holographic foil. And then the best part, I think, of this box is the inverted bow washi, and it's holographic foil. And so you get the 10 and the 15, and it's just gorgeous. I'm just so excited to use this. It's so beautiful. I just love the way that it catches the light. Okay, so I'm gonna open these because these are not open. I'm gonna open them and swatch them and then do like a wiggle, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here are all the washi's swatched, and I mean that holographic bow washi is just gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching my June unboxing of the Simply Gilded subscription box. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. As always, any of the links or any of the products that I used will be in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.